In this guide, I'll show you how to change the game download and install location on the Epic Games launcher. So from the home screen, select your profile icon in the top right corner, and we're going to go to Settings. Now, once you're in Settings, scroll down to where it says Downloads and Installs, and select Go to Download Settings. Now from here, you'll see the default install directory, and we're going to go to Change beside it. So if you have a different drive, you can select it on the left sidebar right here, and then you're going to need to create a new folder. So right click on an empty space and you can go to New, and then create a new folder. From here, you can give the folder any name you'd like. I'm just going to name it Epic Games Game Folder. And after you've done that, just click on it and we're going to go to Select Folder. Now, if we exit out of this section right here, and I'm going to go to a game to show you, I'm just going to select a game to install, and then you'll see by default, it's now going to go to that new folder we just created. This guide was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.